Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to HTM 101, Introduction to Hospitality. I am your instructor, Lisa Crone. I am an adjunct professor at Skyline College, and I also currently work as the Director of Human Resources at the Ritz-Carlton Half Moon Bay. I'm going to be excited to share a little bit about my experiences throughout this course. I'm more excited to hear about your experiences and your passion for hospitality and how we can explore those career paths together. This is going to be my first time teaching an online class. I am a little bit skeptical, I'll have to say, because I believe hospitality is about kind of in person and face to face. That's what we do in our business. We're learning how to adapt and change in that business to try to recover after the effects of COVID that has happened since March in our industry. And I'm excited that we'll be able to explore that in this class as well. This introduction, I wanted to provide you an overview of what the layout looks like, since we'll be using Canvas for asynchronous learning throughout this semester. So let me go ahead and share my screen a little bit more so that you can see how the class is going to be lined up. The home screen is actually going to be divided into modules, and each module or each week is going to be a different chapter of the book. The book is The Introduction to Hospitality by John R. Walker. It's actually one of the good textbooks that I've come across in my teaching. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the different sections that we'll have. I've tried to put different kinds of ways that we would have had conversations in class into activities so that we can participate together. It really is going to depend on your participation, though, so I can't stress that enough. You will see, if you click on syllabus here on the left-hand side, a summary of all of the different activities, discussions, quizzes that are due and by when. And then also, if you look, I've actually uploaded the syllabus as well into week 1 as a file, so you'd be able to open that and see that as well in a little bit of a different format. So you might see things on the class in Canvas that seems like a duplicate, and that's just because different people learn a little bit differently. And so I've tried to lay it out in as many ways as possible so that everyone gets the information that they need. Going back a little bit more to how the class is laid out, this is traditionally a class that is taught on Tuesdays, so you'll see a lot of the due dates are Tuesday. I do try to commit to getting the information for the upcoming week out by the Sunday before. We'll see if that changes a little bit with our process of doing this online. So we'll get started with week 1 and the overview right now. So you continue reading on this overview and to-do list, which is the first module, and then continue clicking through. I can't wait until you get to the introductions so that I can learn a little bit more about you and share a little bit more about myself. Don't hesitate to reach out to me. I have the communication policy as the next kind of module in this week. So that you can understand that I'm here for you in your learning endeavors. I'm so glad that you've persevered through the obstacles and challenges that have come our way this year with the pandemic and also the wildfires. I wish you and your family well, and I can't wait for this semester. Thank you.